Hello students, welcome once again to English class. Now in this class, we are going to learn how to apply the reading technique in a comprehension passage. Now we've gone through what a reading technique means. It helps us get better in reading. And we have the reading technique called SQ3Rs. SQ3R, where S stands for survey, Q stands for question. Then the three R's, the first R, we have read. R2, we have recite. Then R3, we have review. Now, we are going to learn how to apply this reading technique to this comprehension passage. Now, this is a very short comprehension passage. Probably you might also see a much longer comprehension passage, but we are going to learn how to apply this reading technique to the comprehension passage. Now, the first reading technique, like I said earlier, is S. S is for survey. S is for survey. So survey is just you glancing through the book, just checking the title of the book and the pictures of the book or the passage and the title of the comprehension passage and the writings and so on. Not you reading it actually, it's just checking the title. So now let's go through this comprehension passage. The title is the value of time. Oh, very good. The value of time, which means that the comprehension passage would be about how time is very valuable. Why is time very important? The comprehension passage will give an answer to that. Now, the next reading technique is Q. Q stands for question. Now, question as a reading technique is you asking yourself question like, what am I expecting to read or know in this comprehension passage? So if you have to look at this, the title says the value of time. So if you have to ask yourself a question, you will say, okay, why is time valuable? Why is time very important? All right, now let's move on to the three R's. The first R1 is read. Now it's time for us to read the passage and have a proper understanding of what the passage means. Time is a gift that must be used wisely. Every day, we have 24 hours to do things that matters. Successful people plan their time. Avoid wasting it. When we manage our time well, we achieve our goals and become better individuals. Now we've read it. It's time for us to recite it. But we have to read it again to have a good understanding of what it means before we move on to the second R. So please do well to listen attentively. Time is a gift that must be used wisely. Every day, we have 24 hours to do things that matters. Successful people plan their time. Avoid wasting it. When we manage our time well, we achieve our goals and become better individuals. Now let's move on to R2. R2 stands for recite. Recite simply means saying the passage in your own words. Now, if you have to talk about this passage in your own words, we would say that time is very precious and is of utmost importance to human. For you to be successful, you have to learn how to manage your time well. And for you to be able to achieve your goals, you have to use your time wisely. Now, what have we done? We have been able to explain this passage in our own words. Now, lastly is review. The last R3 is review. So review comes after recite. Recite is you saying or talking about the passage in your own words. While review is you going back to cross-check to check if what you've said is correct. Now, if you are to review the passage, we'll find out that what we said is correct. Where we said time is very precious. For you to be successful, you have to manage your time, not waste it. For you to achieve your goals, you have to use your time wisely. And we get to see it in the comprehension passage. So this is how you can apply the reading technique to any comprehension passage or any book you find yourself reading.